everybody. This is Gagajoy. I'm glad you dropped in today. And someone else dropped in today too. This is my grandson.
Hello.
Great grandson. This is JD. And he wanted to make a video today, and I let him pick the one he wanted to do. I'm sure you've seen this done before, but it's ice cream cones and with cake mix in them and cake and he wants the sprinkle on top. So that's what we're doing. I'm sure you've seen them, and they always turn out different. Now what I did was I just made a regular cake mix. I did everything, you know, you add the water, the oil, and the eggs, and we beat it up. And I've got different size. I use this muffin pan, leaving the foil on it. Now we're going to put the little ice cream cones in it. That helps them stand up. And, you know, I guess I never thought about the fact that ice cream cones are small. Unbelievable. I mean, you can put the next one in. It is unbelievable. I just cannot believe it. I thought, ice cream cones? Put those in there.
That was one.
That's Lily. Okay. There's some more right there. We're going to start off with 6.
You might want to ask your parents for help.
And we've got more too that we'll put in the other pan, but we'll put this one in first. Still good. Stir it up. Yay! I'll put it in so we can get it right in the middle. This is such a cute idea to take to church things, or even when you're having company and you know there's going to be children. Oops.
Last time when we did a video, Gaga got a boo-boo.
Oh, I did?
When he was pulling the stuff out.
Oh, okay. That's quite good anyway. He's such a pleasure to have around. He's so quiet. He has such good manners. We don't get to see each other very much.
No, we don't.
We're going to try harder. We've been trying hard in this month when school's out. But when mothers and daddies work, it's sort of hard, isn't it? Now I've got my oven on 350. I'll let you put the lights. I'll let you do the lights that way. There we go. And it takes about 20 minutes. And then we'll icing all of them and put in. The most important thing will be the sprinkles. Yes.
I opened these for Gaga earlier.
Oh, I did not know that either. I didn't know that. But that's
here's
okay.
what it looks like.
Yeah, that's okay. Now jump down like Grandma put it in the oven. Okay. We'll keep working on another one. And let's do this one too. We have so much icing. Let's come over here, honey. You put these in there too. It's just amazing how little these little cups are. Yeah. I make 2. I really could have done them all in this one, but I thought they were big, and I always do them in the bigger cup.
Let me go pet this dog real quick. See, got the box, everything. Now, Lily, we're gonna have to use.
JD, she's just fine. Come on, honey. Let's finish this up.
I know.
Yep,
Guys, just excuse that.
that's okay. You're used to the puppy. She seems to be in all the videos here lately, which is good. Honestly, the ice cream cones used to be so big that I could do 12. This one you probably could do. No, they weren't. Yeah, we're going to probably do this. Jump down for Grandma. And
Ask your parents for help.
I need to do more. Well, we'll be back after they're done and get to the sprinkles, of course.
Hello, guys.
Don't, honey. We took this out of the oven. I did overfilm a little bit, but we chipped it off. And I've let them cool for about 10 minutes. So now I'm putting icing on them. And he's going to put
What kind of these? Y'all can look for yourself.
Yeah. No, you're okay. You're okay. You don't have to do that, honey. They can see just fine. Now let's see, let's get them all on this one, and then we'll get them on the other ones. And then we'll get the others. These little cones made 2 dozen. I don't know about 2 dozen, but we'll find something if we're into nothing else. Okay, you can start with your
A big
sprinkles. But it's measure long.
Oh,
That's okay. They're just going down, but we're good. Sprinkles is okay.
uh-oh.
That's okay.
Going everywhere.
No, let me show you what I think you should do. Like a salt shaker. See, like that? Yeah, that's good.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's going everywhere, guys.
It's okay. We have brooms and
Put some around the edges. Uh-oh.
I put one on those. Okay. We have a master
Uh-oh.
at this. Well, see, it makes a pretty little something to take somewhere. Let's get where the kids say he's going to eat plenty. He saved enough room for it. Well, it was fun. It's always fun making things with JD. And we'll try it again sometime, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
What are we going to do next time?
We're gonna make broccoli casserole.
Oh, well, hey, it's good for me. Give yourself. Enjoy being with him today. And now we're going to eat a cupcake. Or a cup cone.
Ice
Cup
cream.
cone. Cup cone. That's
No,
right.
cup ice cream.
Okay. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon. Bye. This is for Paul. Scoot over here a little bit closer, JD. This is for Paul. Okay. Now there you go. Now put the top on it.
Oh,
Take them home with you.
let me eat one.
Actually, the icing is good. And it really is. I will say that the icing is very good.
We're gonna have to. I'm gonna get one of these, okay?
And you can take them out home. All of them. can put some more sprinkles on these too. Oh, well, there's that big in this drawer right here.
I know. These are really good.
They are good. I have to say that they really are good.
Uh-oh,